In this video, we will learn how Clip uses text queries to find relevant images step by step. Ever struggled to find the perfect image using just text alone?
Clip uses a shared understanding to connect text and images seamlessly.
Clip unlocks powerful image search for e-commerce, content, and research. First, a user types what image they want, like dog in snow. Then, Clip encodes the text and images into a shared space. This space maps words and images to coordinates based on their meaning.
Next, cosine similarity scores rank images by relevance to your query.
Higher scores mean the image and text are more closely related. The images get ranked from highest score, most relevant, to lowest. Finally, Clip shows you the top images that best match your text. Knowing this helps you write better queries for better results. Clip encodes, compares, and ranks images based on text relevance. Now you can build your own custom image search engine. You now understand Clip and can refine your search skills.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.